Hello everybody, so today I'm coming with a quick video how to make chocolate chip baked oats. So you have oats at the house, you're tired of just making oatmeal, right? So this is another thing you can make with those oats. This is really delicious. Let's get to it. So first I'm going to get Old Fashioned Oats, about a cup of that. Next we're going to add peanut butter. I'm going to add the milk first. This is like a half a cup of milk and I use plant-based milk. Next we're going to add peanut butter, about a third of a cup of peanut butter. I like to melt mine so it's easier to mix. Maybe like a drizzle of honey, or maybe you can do maple syrup. I'm using a little honey. That's it. I have a little salt, like a pinch of salt, and a half teaspoon of baking powder. And we're gonna mix this up and add the chocolate chips. So I have about a little over a fourth a cup. It's less than a half a cup of chocolate chips. And I'm going to put these in dairy-free chocolate chips, and I'm going to fold this into my oats. And I'm going to put it in my pan that's already been sprayed to make sure it don't stick. And we're going to bake it for like 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, 350 degrees oven. My pan is ready, and we're going to add this in. Very simple, quick and easy. And I'm just going to kind of spread it. Now, if you want more of this, of course, just double the recipe. Very simple. So I'm about to pop this in the oven, and we're going to enjoy this.